I'm going to be spending 2 weeks in San Jose, Costa Rica, working at a sea turtle preservation site with the company International Volunteer HQ. I applied, I got accepted, I paid the registration fee. I'm waiting for everything to be finalized so I can pay the full upfront fee for the actual program that I'm doing. Ever since I went to Belize and I swam with sea turtles, it made me really want to work with them. But I figured this is a great experience to do that and a great way to go out and travel and make a difference while I'm out. I'm really looking forward to working with this program in Costa Rica and spending 2 weeks there, staying in a authentic homestay there with a family. It's still months away, but I'm already counting down the days. Right now it's the 3rd of April, and my program that I'm doing isn't until June. But my biggest thing for choosing those dates from June 20th until July 4th, I want to say. It's 2 weeks, but the reason I chose those dates is because June 26th is my birthday. And my one biggest goal for this year is to spend my birthday in another country.
Alright, so I think about a month ago now is when I recorded that last part. There's a lot of stuff to do in this. There's the application itself, like when you first sign up, the registration fee that you have to pay for the thing itself, read the program guide, you have to check the border requirements to see if there's any specific entry requirements for your country, mandatory travel insurance, book your discounted flights. That's bullshit. I didn't go through that. I went through my normal website, Skyscanner, and they were even cheaper than using this website's discounted flights for students. Book your recommended tours and add-ons. This is any excursions you want to do. But it also includes things like if you want to pay for another night to stay there, or if you want transportation from the hotel to the airport on the last day. You have to get a background check for this since you're doing volunteer work. Add an emergency contact so I can scare my mom if they call her for anything. Submit your details proving that you got travel insurance. I went through World Nomads and I think it was like $88 or something for the 2 weeks I'm gonna be there. You have to give them your flight details so they know exactly when to pick you up and from where. Now this one was kind of strange to me. Offset your flight's carbon emissions. I didn't know what that meant. I think for the distance that my plane is traveling to get to and from there, I had to pay like $16 or something, just to help fight climate change, I guess. I think the way that it works is I paid $16 because of my flight distance, and that goes to a charity. So I think it's kind of trying to offset your flight's bad things and turn that into something good, I guess. I don't know. And then complete the online volunteer training course. And 21 days to go. See you then.
Alright, so it's maybe a week or two later. This is where I'm going to pack all my clothes and show you guys what I'm bringing. So as for clothing, we have 2 tank tops, 3 t-shirts, a rain jacket, a pair of swim shorts, a pair of sleep shorts, 1 button-down shirt, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of pants, 3 long sleeve shirts, and a sun hat that can fold pretty easily, in addition to what I'll be wearing when I fly there. Alright, now to actually pack everything. Oh, also, before I forget, this does include socks and underwear also. I have, I believe, 6 pairs of socks and 6 pairs of underwear for this. Alright, all done for clothes. Alright, as for stuff that I'm packing in my bag, my carry-on, my personal item, whatever you want to call it on the plane. We have my headphones. This is to symbolize all of my GoPro stuff because I don't have it with me at the moment. If you're bringing a camera, you want to bring your camera, all the accessories, the batteries, the chargers, everything that you think you're going to need. I also have a buff or a gaiter because it will be sunny out there the whole time. A Spanish phrase book. Any book to read. I chose Iceland because it's somewhere that I really want to go. More GoPro accessories. This is my chest mount if I go do anything interesting. I have a mosquito net for Costa Rica because I was told to bring one. I was told to sleep under one, which kind of worries me a little bit. I bought a flashlight, a USB flashlight that's rechargeable because I'm going to be walking the beaches with sea turtles. I have my passport. I have a lock put on my luggage. Very important. I learned this from Belize. Mosquito repellent. I bought some cheap glasses because I don't want to lose my good ones. Sandals. This is my toiletry bag for my bathroom stuff. And then these are very small, but they're something very important. A Ziploc bag to keep you never know what in. It's also waterproof. And then a trash bag to put dirty clothes in.
Alright, so I was editing the video and realized I forgot something. So if you guys have a portable charger or a power brick, this is incredibly important. I bring this thing everywhere I go, even to work. It has multiple chargers on top, multiple ways to charge it, multiple ways to output a charge. Highly, highly recommend one of these. I do not travel without this thing.
This stuff may be simple, but it's all very useful. It's what I'm going to pack in my bag. Most of this stuff is probably what I'm going to be carrying with me most days that I'm there. Next up is what I'm going to be having on me. Alright, so as for the stuff that I'm going to have on me, I'm going to bring these shoes. The reason I like bringing these is because these are at least somewhat waterproof because they're like pleather, I want to say. So it makes it nice. These are my outdoor shoes until I get actual hiking shoes. You also want to bring a wallet, maybe. In this case, I actually have this. It's a passport wallet. I normally just put my money in cards inside here so I don't have to bring the whole wallet with me. Earphones I'm going to have with me. A water bottle, my phone, obviously. My GoPro I'm actually going to have with me. This is a stand that I got on Amazon that is also a selfie stick. I bring this thing with me everywhere. If you guys don't have one of these and you have a GoPro or any small camera, this is a necessity. I also recommend one of these. It's a travel case for storage for all of your memory cards. This is heavy duty, this is waterproof. This is also a great, great investment. It holds up to 12 cards. And then these I'm not going to show on film, but I have these to show that you need your Vax card or COVID test, depending what country you're going to. I don't technically need any of that to get into Costa Rica, but I will need it for the company that I'm doing the program with. And then lastly, the flight papers and your info, unless you have them on your phone. And this goes for more than just flight papers, even for, in my case, doing the program. I need my info for that, I need the paperwork for that. So don't forget any important papers that you need. So as I'm all strapped up and ready, this is what it's gonna look like. Phone, GoPro, front pockets, things I'm gonna be using the most on the way there other than my passport, my back pocket, headphones, anything else I need in my other back pocket. Got my small day trip bag with all the stuff I'm gonna be using in it on the way there. Got my big bag. And a water bottle on the side. I might wear a hat or something too, might wear my glasses. Yeah, this is what it looks like. All we gotta do now is just wait. A week from today actually is when I'm leaving. So this is just the video that I wanted to make before going, setting up all my stuff, all the information, packing my bags. Hope you guys are ready for the big Costa Rica video. Stay tuned, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.